This is going to be like the easiest install. Oh, Tundra only! All right, welcome back to Next Level Rides. So today we're back at it on the 4Runner. So we've got a few things to install, one of them being the Baja Design fog lights. So stay tuned, we're gonna get started. All right, so we're working with the Baja Design fog lights here. Jason, do you want to give me a rundown as to what we're looking at?
This is basically our fog light from Baja Design. You can change the lens. This is a clear white cornering.
Okay.
And then you can change it to yellow, amber, and then you can change it to the SAE compliance too.
Nice.
Which has that little cutoff in the middle. Okay,
so rather than it being a floodlight, it kind of makes it more of like a spotlight kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are pretty nice.
So actually, it doesn't blind people.
So you can see here, it actually looks like there's 4 Cree LEDs. And again, just like the Vivid Lumens, these are actually decent quality. That's really nice. Okay, so we got the 2 of those that we're gonna install here. What else we got? Lots of brackets, an adapter with connectors. Oh damn, look at that, we got a sticker.
Actually, this is lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty?
Yeah.
Really? How much were these?
Regular price is $500. It's on sale right now, $220.
Better than replacing the cheap Amazon ones every, what, 3-5 months because they flood with water. All right, let's get started. So each bolt is a different length according to Jason. So let's just give it a mark. Top, bottom, or at least it looks like a 10 mil. Yeah, look how long that one is. What the f? Yeah, the top one's a longer one. I don't know if that's gonna show up on camera.
Yeah, it does.
Damn Toyota. All right, and you said there's some underneath?
And there's 2 down here.
Okay, so we got one more here, one more here. We'll take those 2 down and pull out the inner center shroud. Nice. I think it's okay, look at that. All right, so after you move the inner fender well out, you can get to the fog light here. So it looks like there's 4 Phillips head screws. Start taking these out. Okay, it's already ready to come out. Oh, that's it. This is gonna be like the easiest install. And so it ends up using the factory connector and everything then.
Yep, there's that one connector that you just have to figure out which one is the positive and negative.
All right, so now we need to mock up and mimic the orientation of the fog lights. So this would be top facing forward. So if you tip it upwards, you can see that the slant is towards the driver's side here. That would be the same. BD is at the top. And if you look at the front, there's BD on the inside. So this would be the left one. This would be the right one. So we're gonna put the right one to the side. And now I'm gonna grab some brackets and some hardware, harnesses, instructions. All right, we're good. I like how they put yellow Loctite on the bolts. Yeah, right there. What strength is yellow? I mean, in numbers, yellow is pretty strong. No?
Nope.
All right. Okay, so this, yeah, actually, look at that. That looks like it.
Driver's side. Let me see that. Oh.
Yeah, look at that. Right there. That's it. Is that the instructions? Right, let's see. I like how it doesn't show the screw to actually mount this one here, because we have 4 of these. Their instructions suck. Okay, yeah, we took it out. 5, place assembly, fog light mounted.
Actually reading that.
Yeah, but it shows Phillips there, and these are actually like Torx heads, which sucks, because how am I gonna tighten that?
Yeah, you just tighten
Allen head.
No, you just tighten this here, right?
Yeah.
And then
but if you didn't have a long Allen key, you wouldn't be able to tighten it.
Nope.
Good thing I have a long Allen key.
Baja Design, what happened?
Dropping the ball here. Oh, you know what it is? It's going in, but the thread locker that they used is just super thick.
So it is strong.
Well, I guess. I mean, yeah, that's exactly what it is. The thread locker is just so thick. Wow. Okay, well, I don't think I'm going to be worried about it coming out. There we go. See?
Mm.
So if you're looking at it, the 2 holes is on the outer edge, right? So if you're holding it up, so yours, you're holding up like this, that goes on the inside. This one goes here. Holy crap, look at all the instructions. I didn't think it was going to be this complicated. Oh no, we've already done all this. Okay, so this side's fine, and we put the foam on this side. Ah man, you know that Loctite that they used is something else. That's hardcore shit.
That means yellow is strong.
Yep. Damn, it's starting to look like a fog light. The instructions are here, but we're not reading them.
Nope.
What? Why are you gonna take the core support cover off? Why are you gonna take the upper cover off?
To take the whole bumper out? No way.
Why would you need to do that? These are the most crooked squares I've cut in my life. I like how in here they made it like trimmed exactly to the hexagon, when I really don't think it needs to be. Like, I don't really see any benefit to it, but
right.
When in Rome. It's weird. This is like the type of ghetto shit that I would do back in the day. Right. You know, when something doesn't fit properly. Yeah, it. Let's use silicone or zip ties or something to mount it.
Let's see. It's gonna work.
It's modified to the instructions. I mean, it's modified to our best guess. All right. All right. Black goes to
red.
A. Yeah, that's it.
I think you gotta connect it first, though. That's what they're saying.
No, there's no way.
Look, this is white and red. So see if it matches. Where's the black wiring? Black is on the right.
Huh?
See?
Well, I'm following their instructions.
I was reading it and I was like, what? That doesn't make sense.
Clicked it in, but...
Black is on the right?
Oh, I f***ed it up.
Oh.
Cause I clicked it in the wrong one. Well, it's a good thing I have all this
What is that?
deep pin connectors. Man, these f***ing suck.
Yeah, they're basically making everything universal.
Yeah, okay, so I just push it in, and I should be able to just pull it out.
There you go.
Okay, so this makes sense.
So they said, this is what they said? They said connect this one first. So I think, does it go this way?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we can mock it up. So black is top.
So black is right?
Right here. No,
Which one's
black is
black?
top one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's right. Right.
Why would they just make a connector, man? I swear to God.
Because these are universal. They buy these universal. Damn! Look at that!
They just made it so long now, right?
What's with this long ass bolt? It's right here. Oh, it's for the adjustment.
Adjustment. Well.
Place the light assembly into the fog light mounting slot and place the screws into their holes hand tight. Huh?
Even the instruction don't work.
These instructions are fucking backwards. Like, this doesn't make sense. It's like, where does this bolt even go? That's not even the right fog light.
No. Like I said.
Oh, Tundra only. I'm done. Tundra only. So you don't need these. All right, let's go and install it.
See this, guys? It says 4Runner. Master Tony's reading this side now.
That's what I get for reading the instructions.
Tundra only.
Be a man. Don't read the instructions.
So we did it right.
Yeah, it just goes in and it fits. This would be for like an alignment. So what they wanted you to do is they wanted you to put this in, right?
Yeah.
And then
use that.
This bottoms out, and then you turn this and it would pull the headlight in or out to tip them like that. All right, back at it because we're experts. All right, so this should be, oh yeah, it just has like a little, hold on. it doesn't fit. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, it fits. There's just like a gap, sort of.
Where? Oh, that gap's gonna be there.
Fits.
I think that's when you adjust it. So there's no gap. So you gotta adjust it on that.
Okay. Do you want to hold it in place? Yeah, and then I get one screw in. Make sure it's even. There we go.
That's pretty even.
Yep, it's good now. All right, 2 Phillips screws. So technically, after I put some dielectric grease and plug it in, we could probably zip tie the one out of the way and test it.
Yep.
Let's see, why not? How do I want to route this? I could just route it like around like this. Or I'll connect it and we'll just zip tie it to
that one.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, literally.
Shall we test it out?
Oh yeah. Holy that's pretty bloody bright. Like it's as bright as your headlights. Nope. That's bright. Well, I guess we're just gonna zip tie it away and
people are gonna be swearing at me, I guess.
People are gonna be a little bit pissed off. All right, next we're gonna push the skid plate back into place. All right, so you can see the driver's side here. Actually turned out really nice. Passenger side. All right, turn them on. Oh, damn. That's pretty bloody insane. It's having the camera freak out. So pretty easy install, guys. You can use just a Phillips 10 mil, turn the tire, lots of access, get yourself a handy light. It's gonna end up working out pretty easy. You could do it in your driveway, underground parking, garage, whatever you'd like. That's it for today. See you guys in the next one. Feel free to like and subscribe. Say bye, Jason.